Here are 3 things you can do today if you receive an IRS audit letter. First, contact the revenue agent who is listed on page 1. There's a telephone number and a name. Ask them for additional time. They'll give you 10 days to contact them from the day of the letter. You're obviously going to need more time. Ask them for at least 30 days, maybe even 60 days, depending upon where the records are located, because that letter requests that you set a meeting with them and provide and produce records and any information they need that substantiates each and every number on your return. Most important, if you have a CPA, contact them and get a copy of your tax return, making sure that you have all the records to support each number. If you don't have a CPA and you prepare the return yourself through TurboTax, you're going to want to at least get your bank statements, canceled checks and deposits, and start there. And what we do as a law firm, when we prepare for an audit for a client, we're going through the bank statements and doing what we call a bank deposit analysis, which means every deposit that goes into that bank account, or if there's multiple bank accounts, looking at all the deposits and making sure we get the right income number. Also, you're going to want to call IRS and ask for a wage and income transcript for yourself. And if you have a business, you're going to want to ask for an ERPTR report, ERPTR, and making sure that the income reported by third parties for your business that they paid you is accurate and that you reported the correct amount of income on your tax return. Number 1, IRS is interested, most important, is that you report the correct amount of income. Now, a new development recently has been in 2022, you're going to see on the 2022 1040 return, cryptocurrency. They want to identify, or IRS want to identify any sources of income you receive through cryptocurrency. And IRS has indicated that cryptocurrency, or basically virtual currency, is a property, and that everything basically is included potentially as taxable income. If you bought or sold it or received it as a payment, and if you paid something with cryptocurrency, you're going to want to have some proof of the value of that. So those are some of the things you can do from day one. Most important, always be truthful to IRS. If you don't have the information, or if you realize that there might be some discrepancy, definitely call a tax attorney. There's definitely some things they could do. You want to have a narrative and a strategy prior to meeting with the IRS, because there's always 2 sides to a coin and multiple ways to interpret something. So you want to have all the facts, all the documents ready, understand where the problems are, and have a tax attorney go through all that and provide a legal defense and also a narrative to explain to IRS how the numbers are coming together, so that that'll really facilitate the audit quite a bit. My name is John Milikowski, founder of Milikowski Tax Law. I hope this information was useful.